Hi, hi. We have made some changes in the setting of the in-post plugin to find out the issue. You can see we have set the minimum amount for free shipping for the in-post plugin to be 1000 euros. We have saved it. It is already saved, so we can go ahead. And you can see over here, let's make it 3. So when it is 30, you will see everything will be shown over here. You can see it is shown. If I increase it to 40, then the in post will disappear. You can see in post disappear when the subtotal increased to 40. So you must have added some custom code to hide the in post at a certain price level, because if we bring it back to the 29.9, now it is back to the 29.9, and over here you will see it is still hidden. And now if I reduce it to 3 unit, the subtotal will be 30. You will see subtotal is 30, but still then it has came up, but you can see it is free. You can see in post is free for 30 and it is not hidden, but as soon as we increase it, so there's some disturbance, you can see it goes away.